starting to spit.
I don't think it's going to be an issue though.
If anything, it still feels a bit tail heavy. I've got to bring it down, push down a little bit every now and then.
Yeah, to bring it back to a level plane.
Yeah. That's on low rates. Yep.
But just remember, when you've got more power on too, it tends to lift the nose.
Yeah.
Where you're constantly trimming.
Some crazy shit here.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Nice! I didn't know I was that far over. What did you tell me? Come back here.